girl that has been dark all her life, aim is to glow, not whiten, or change and become so fair. We know if there are implications to this, or should we all carry on with this? 449311. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and don't make it your last. And as for my returning faithful subscribers, I see you. Thank you so much. So today's topic, will be talking about skin bleaching as a standard for beauty. You know, I don't know if you've been in this situation whereby you've known a girl all your life as a dark girl, and boom, after so many years or 2 to 3 years, when you maybe scroll down the girl's page or bump into the girl, you find out that the girl is now as white as. So now I think it's something that I should really talk about and discuss, so we know if this skin bleaching has any effects or if it's something all of us should do. Check the pros and cons. I'm going to learn the meaning of skin bleaching, if there are dangers associated with the skin bleaching, what are these dangers, what are the effects of skin bleaching, how does skin bleaching work. So these are the things we are going to look into, and then a final word from me. Skin bleaching is a cosmetic procedure of using chemical substances to change the color of the skin. An extremely negative side to these skin bleaching products is that they are used to promote colorism. What do I mean by colorism? Colorism simply means skin tone discrimination, whereby the people with lighter skin are seen as more superior and beautiful to those with darker skin shade, and this is seen within an ethnic group or race. Now, it's not just this. A lot of women are now put under serious dangers and pressure to lighten their skin just to avoid this discrimination. And now they also do this so that they will obtain all the privileges associated with the skin color. How does bleaching work? There are many ways bleaching can work, but let's look at the two major ways. One, reduction in the concentration of melanin, or reduction in the production of melanin. Melanin is a complex pigment that is responsible for our skin color. You know, you're a dark woman, you have high melanin. If you're fair, there is reduced or no melanin. So now, what does this melanin do? It works as a sunscreen. I can call it a natural sunscreen because it prevents the skin DNA from getting damaged. So now, I don't know. So if you reduce the concentration of your melanin or the melanin in your skin, what do you expect? There will be more sun damage. And that is why if you see some of these beauty products, they will tell you, if you're using these products, don't go under sun. These are the things because the melanin that is working as the sunscreen has been destroyed. So you have to buy another sunscreen, or you start buying products, you have to buy a sunscreen, of course. And then there is something they call knuckles. Some have it naturally because they are dark, while some have it, they acquired it because of use of certain chemicals in their creams. So these knuckles are discoloration as a result of harsh chemicals on the skin, and this area is very difficult to treat. That's the problem. So before you know, you begin to have a clear skin discoloration, and they will not be uniform. This place will be so white, and then here will be so dark. Very dark people can have natural knuckles, no doubt, but there are other signs that you know if this person's knuckles are natural or not. We'll come to that. So what I'm trying to say in essence is this: when you begin to fight the melanin in your body, you know that there are more chains of issues that you still have to correct. You can't cheat nature. There is no safest way to do skin whitening. That's just what you have to know. Second way skin bleaching work is by inhibition of an enzyme called tyrosinase. Okay, tyrosinase is an enzyme that helps in production of melanin. So without this tyrosinase, there won't be melanin at all. There are many dangers associated with skin bleaching, but we are going to look into one called exogenous ochronosis. Now, ochronosis is a Greek word, ochre, which means yellow discoloration. I don't know if you have seen some women who have bleached for a very long time. Probably you can, if you look at them, normally they will always have skin discoloration. They begin to have green veins. I think they call it blue black, yeah, blue black green discoloration. So you see that their veins are so prominent, their skin becomes so thin. Any small wound, it's very difficult to heal. All these things should tell you that melanin has more importance than just giving us our skin color. This ochronosis is a very difficult side effect to treat, and it is as a result of prolonged use of hydroquinone containing creams or products. Despite various treatments, most times the result is always inconsistent and not satisfying. In 2020, over-the-counter products containing hydroquinone was banned by the FDA because the FDA classified this product as not generally recognized as safe and effective. Why do you think FDA banned hydroquinone containing products? Even till now, some of the products we get in the market for our skin still contain hydroquinones, but the thing is that they won't write it. Products also contain corticosteroids, and these corticosteroids may lead to clinical conditions called steroid acne. It can also lead to skin breakdowns, causing open pores on the skin and scarring, irritation, and dermatitis. When you use some products, some skin lightening products, and you begin to see some acne on your body, you need to check those products. You begin to see discoloration, you need to check those products. You begin to see blue-black veins, your veins become more prominent, you need to check those products. You begin to have some itching, irritation. Some creams too also contain mercury. Mercury is a heavy metal that is so poisonous and dangerous, but some people still use mercury in making skincare products because mercury has bleaching effect, and this thing is very dangerous for the body. It can even cause kidney issues, numbness. These are some of the signs of mercury poisoning is numbness, dizziness, tingling, confusion, headache, muscle weakness, depression, loss of appetite, and so much more. Most times they will not write it in the description. Is it not better for you to use a safer skincare product? Or you could even meet a dermatologist. He or she will recommend a good product. The only time that is good for you to do bleaching is when you have some skin conditions like melasma, acne scar, Addison's disease, freckles, or spots, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Aside these medical conditions, there shouldn't be good reason why you should bleach your skin. Guys, if you've been listening to this point, I think you deserve a reward. So let me do giveaway. And please, if you receive this, for my Nigerian airtime users, if you receive this, please do well comment in the section below that you received and tell us the amount you received, and then tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay, now listen. 50-33-94-09-22-39-14-555. Good luck. Probably along the line I might still change my mind and top it up, so keep watching. So guys, skin lightening can only be an option when it is recommended by your healthcare provider or a dermatologist. They could do some skin testing for you. Even if you want to lighten or brighten, not to bleach, there are ways you can keep your black skin healthy and it will be so glowy, and it will be beautiful. The main aim is to glow, not to whiten, because sometimes even if when you whiten, some people come down with chronic kidney disease, liver failure, a lot of things. Apart from the skin irritation and acne, it is detrimental to your health as a whole. I don't support bleaching. Thank you guys for your attention. Please do well and hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell because my subsequent videos will also have these rewards. Then see you in my next video. I love you. For those who have Glow, the first one I called was MTN, right? Glow 325-392-4493-11568. Good luck.